Hi, fantastic fourth graders. So today is our very first math lesson, Module 1, Lesson 1 with Eureka Math. And what I would like for you to do first today is I'd like you to open another tab on your computer and set a timer because I really want to know how much time you're spending each night on your math homework so I can readjust for those who are taking too much time. Okay? Okay, I'm going to draw a unit on my place value chart. And do you remember what this unit is called? It's a 1, because we have it in the 1 section of the place value chart. I'm going to draw a few more units here. So I can say I have 2 1s, I have 3 1s, I have 4 1s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I can say I have 10 1s on my place value chart. What larger unit can we make from these 10 1s? You remember that from last year. Okay, that's right. We can take these 10 1s and we can make one 10 unit. We can call that regrouping, bundling, making 10, renaming, exchanging, trading 10 1s for 1 10. We can call it all of those things. So if I look at this chart, I can say 1 10 is 10 times as many as 1. Okay, so here we have 10 units of 10. So what larger unit can we make if we were going to rebundle this? We could make 1 100 unit from 10 10s. Okay, so if we look at this chart, we could say that 1 100 is 10 times as much as 1 10. Okay, so let's do this again. On this chart, we have 10 100s. Now, if we were to count these, counting by 100s, it would also tell us the larger unit that we could regroup this. So we're going to say 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. We could say 10, we have 10 100s, or we could say 1 unit of 1,000. That's how we would regroup or rebundle this. So we can say that 10 100s equals 1,000. So if we think about that chart, we can say 1,000 is 10 times as many as 1 what? 100. That's right. Okay. Okay, so here let's look at it just a little bit differently. We can say that 1 10 is equal to 10 times 1 1. That's really what we did on our chart. We took 1 1, we multiplied it by 10, 10 times more, and then we got 1 10. Or we could say 100 is equal to 10 times 1 10. So we have 1 10 times 10, do it times 10, and then it equals 100. Or in the last chart, we could say we have 1,000 is equal to 10 times 100. Okay, here on this place value chart, we're going to show that 2 10s is 10 times as many as 2 1s. So we started out with 2 1s times 10, we would get 20. If you see up here, okay, we'd get 20. Then we can regroup, so we can say that 2 10s is 10 times as many as 2 10s is 10 times as many as 2 1s. Okay. Okay, here we're going to show another one. So if we say we're going to do 10 times as many as 4 10s. So I could write that out as 4 and then TENS, or I could write it out as 40. I'll just put 40 down here in parentheses. So if I were to do that, if I said I have 4 tens and I'm going to draw each of them 10 times, then it would look something like this, but it would take a long time. So we have this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look how long this is taking me. I have this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again. So that takes a long time, right? We can say that 10 times 4 tens equals, how many do we have there? Now we have 40 tens, okay? So the answer here could be 40 tens, or I could rebundle, regroup, and then I could say I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. So I could say 4 hundreds is 10 times as many as 4 tens. Okay, so here we have 3 hundreds. We're going to try this one last time. And if we say we want to find out 10 times as many as 300s. So we're going to put 10 times 300s would be 300, or I could write out the word 3 and hundreds. So I want to take these 300s up here and I want to do each of them 10 times because I'm going to do 300 10 times. Okay, so here I have, I took 300s and I did each of them 10 times. And so I could say I have 30 hundreds, or I could take these 30 hundreds and I could regroup, and how many thousands would I have? That's right, I would have 1, 2, 3 thousands. So I can say 3,000 is 10 times as many as 300s. Okay, this last slide, let's take a look at it. We have 3 times as much as 4 is blank. Whenever I see the word times, I like to write the symbol above it, times. So we have 3 times as much as 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Or I could read it backwards. 4 times 3 would equal 12. On this next line, we have 10 times as much as 5 is what? Okay, so would 10 times 5 would be what? 50. Okay, let's look at this next one. When I see the word is here, I'd like to think of an equal sign. So 400 is 10 times as much as 40. Okay, 40 times 10 is equal to 400. Or if I say I had on my place value chart, if I had 4 tens and I multiplied it by 10, then I would have 40 tens, which I could regroup and make 400. Okay, on my last one, I have 7,000 is, and then I'm going to put these words in here, 10 times as much as 700. Okay, I would like for you now to get out your homework book and turn and do page 5, number C, 1C. You only have to do C. Go to page 6, and I would like for you to do number 2. Now, after you do number 2, I'd like you to check your time. If you've gone over 25 minutes, I want you to stop. If you have not gone over 25 minutes, I would like you to go ahead and do number 3, 4, and 5, and 6 in your homework. I'd like you to not go over 25 minutes, so just do as much as you can in 25 minutes. Okay? See you tomorrow.